What's a hood dog?
You know what a hood dog is?
No.
It's just like one of those dogs that's got no parents, no home. He just lives in the streets, but he's a gangster about it. He's like always happy. He's missing a leg, but he's always happy. That's a hood dog. Yeah, man. You ever get pressed by a hood dog? Yeah.
I've never heard that before.
Yeah,
You're like, man, that is impressive. I'm gonna write a song about you.
Yeah. There's some like streets where you'll see which one is the boss of the hood dogs. Yeah. They got their own little posse going on. Yeah, for real.